Welcome, I am Dr. Merlin Sachs, and in this video, we will talk about the best way to gain weight fast. Maintaining an ideal body weight is a constant struggle. While the spotlight has always been on the issue of obesity and overweight, there is also a demographic that is underweight. It's important to take steps to maintain a healthy body weight. Underweight individuals are likely to face many health issues. When you are underweight, your focus should be on gaining muscle mass and subcutaneous fat in the right proportion. It is recommended you follow a wholesome diet coupled with a good workout regimen to move the needle on the weighing scale. You can rely on some simple home remedies to help you gain weight. Let's find out. 1. Drink milk. Milk is a balanced mix of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and certain other essential vitamins and minerals including calcium. For decades, milk has been utilized for gaining muscle mass and healthy bone structure, owing to its composition. You can drink a glass of milk with your meals, before or after your workout if you are training, or as a healthy shake or smoothie. However, make sure the milk you are buying is organic and non-GMO. 2. Eat plenty of protein. A protein-rich diet can help you gain muscle mass. Protein affects the storage of lean body mass, but not body fat storage. Homemade protein smoothies are loaded with nutrition and are easy to make. You can prepare your smoothies in different variations. Blend all the desired ingredients to a creamy consistency. Chocolate banana smoothie, 2 cups milk, 2 bananas, 1 scoop chocolate whey protein. Peanut butter smoothie, 1 cup milk, 1/2 avocado, 3 tablespoons organic peanut butter, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. Oats protein smoothie, 2 cups milk, 1 1/2 cups oatmeal, 2 scoops protein powder, 1 cup Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons almond butter, 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Super green smoothie, 1/2 cup dates, 3 bananas, 1 cup kale, 1 cup spinach, 1/2 cup blueberries, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 cup milk, 2 scoops protein powder. You can also enrich your smoothie with additional calories by using nutritious sunflower seeds, flax seeds, or chia seeds. 3. Consume breakfast daily. Most people wake up in a hurry and skip breakfast, and that's how they start their day. Despite being the most important meal of the day, breakfast comes at the end of their list of priorities. Eating a healthy breakfast can bring a huge difference to your lifestyle. Breakfast is the first meal of the day that kickstarts your metabolism after hours of sleep. It replenishes your glucose levels and revitalizes your body with its energy requirements to keep you running through the day. You can stir up some easy breakfast recipes and accompany them with a glass of milk to feel satiated. Some easy breakfast ideas that won't steal much of your time are as follows. Oatmeal with berries and flaxseed. Avocado toast with tomatoes. Veggie omelette and toast. Hard-boiled eggs and toast. 4. Drink Ashwagandha latte. Ashwagandha, scientifically known as Withania somnifera, is one of the many popular herbs in Ayurvedic medicine. It is a natural stress reliever. It has been known to reduce the levels of the stress hormone cortisol and, in turn, promote energy metabolism, stress reduction, and improved immune health, all known to contribute to weight gain. A 2015 study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that ashwagandha supplementation can lead to a significant increase in muscle mass and strength and should be used in conjunction with a resistance training program. In 1 cup of warm milk, add 2 tablespoons of ashwagandha powder. Add 1 teaspoon each of clarified butter and honey. Mix well and drink this milk twice daily. 5. Munch on dry fruits. Dry fruits are calorie-dense and packed with polyunsaturated fats. They also contain the right amount of carbohydrates that will help you gain weight. A 2009 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reports that higher nut consumption was identified with slightly lowering the risk of obesity by moderating the gain in weight. Almonds, cashew nuts, dates, Brazil nuts, pecans, walnuts, figs, and raisins are high-calorie treats that you can indulge on a daily basis. You can soak 5 to 6 dried figs in water overnight and eat them the next day. Eat about 1/5 cup of dried raisins throughout the day. Have a handful of almonds, walnuts, or cashew nuts on a daily basis. Add 3 almonds, 2 dates, and 1 dried fig to a glass of milk and boil it. Allow it to cool and then strain the milk. Drink the warm milk and eat the boiled almonds, figs, and dates. 6. Add eggs to your diet. Eggs are conventionally the first thing that comes to mind when you think about gaining some extra pounds. Eggs are nutritious sources of fat and protein that can deliver about 155 calories from a 100 g serving. The protein in eggs contributes to building muscle mass, whereas the fat provides energy. For best results, prefer egg whites to yolk. Just eat the white part of about 3 or 4 eggs daily. You can eat egg white omelets or scrambled egg whites for breakfast regularly for at least 1 month. Additional tips. Use bigger plates to fool your mind to increase your calorie intake. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, and rice are rich sources of carbohydrates and complex sugars. Include more of these in your diet to ensure weight gain. You can also include other food items such as avocados, buckwheat, cereal bars, oats, and quinoa in your diet to boost your calorie intake. Adding organic clarified butter or ghee to your diet is an excellent way to gain weight as it is a source of saturated fat and calories. Bananas can give you an instant energy lift and can help you gain weight. Consume a few of them on a daily basis or as shakes. Peanut butter is high in calories and carbohydrates, making it an excellent choice for gaining weight. Use it as a spread on your bread. Try to include smaller and more frequent meals and healthy snacks in your diet plan. Avoid drinking water just before your meal, as it can decrease your appetite. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel to get more important information.